So, any updates today?
Today is Thursday. Yeah.
Yes.
No.
No. All right. So we are still ahead, and you were asking the differentiation questions like last time.
Yes, correct.
Have we finished them? Do you have more?
Oh, I think there was one question that asked for what's that Cartesian equation.
Oh yeah. So no, that one I haven't figured it out. But okay. Yeah, today my computer is having a problem. Okay, I'm not yet sure what's going on, but I think my computer is having a problem. Yeah, so meaning in the Jamboard. Right? Oh, getting better. All right. Okay. The question you were asking is I believe at question page 11, right? Page 11. Right. Okay. So, I still have to think about it. Is there any other question in this chapter?
I haven't continued from where I stopped last time.
No worries.
Okay, wait, should we do sequences and series? Because tomorrow I have a sequences and series test.
You should, of course we should, right? Of course we should.
I
But
don't
we
have
should always,
new questions though.
Meaning you want more practice questions, like?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, all right. So have I shared with you the A-level drive and everything?
No.
Okay, all right, let's do that. Okay. Oh yeah, my computer is very slow. Why is that so? Dear, this is not. Yeah, again, apologies. This is going to be very slow. Okay, I'm gonna try to reduce that problem. Going to here, going to differences and see. I have it. Oh. Now, when you say sequences and series, is the sigma notation, the MOD,
yeah, sigma,
but not including the lone APGP, right?
Yeah.
Okay. But you have somehow the normal APGP, right? So you check out this question, right? So I'm putting one in your Jamboard. Let it be not slow. Where are we? Okay, here. Okay, check out page 13.
Oh, I don't see anything. Hang on.
Yep. It's my side. This is slow.
Okay.
Okay. So please wait. And I will preempt the problem by actually WhatsApping them. So let's see whether that works. Oh, that seems faster, I think. Is there anything showing up in your WhatsApp?
Yeah, I see it.
It's also slow. Okay, so you check it out. Do you think that will be in? Right, and then
I don't think I've ever done like a real world problem for this topic.
I said another one, but you may want to give it a try to expand your thing. But I'm also sending you one. So it looks like it's still sending. So can you actually see the two questions clearly? My calculator is bad and my computer is bad. What's going on here?
I only see the researcher string one.
That's complete lah.
Still part 4.
Right. The second one is not yet appearing. Is it? What's going on with my computer? No idea. That is about it, I think. Yep. And then yep, no. It's from Nanyang. You're at Nanyang, yeah? Correct.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it is from Nanyang. So not sure which year, but it is. So but it's prelim, I think, but prelim difficulty is the same. Right? So I'm just assuming that they will give you prelim level question.
Might as well lah.
Might as well, right? As well. But you have enough experience to try. You won't be that lost. Reading, however, is yeah, it'll take time to read, right, and understand. Right. I'll try to find a GC one. Who knows? Who knows? That's better. Yeah. So, is it difficult to understand?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Yeah. So, we focus on our reading. Excuse me. So a researcher is investigating. Is that yeah? Okay. Yeah. Oh. No, this is, oh, I'm so sorry. So question 4 is very similar. In fact, it will be the same, I think, essentially as the loan thingy. So,
Wait, as the money question, is it?
yeah, because there's the next subsequent elongation is obviously kind of like a GP, right? Because it's times. And then there's the subsequent contraction is less. Okay, so that feels more like an AP, and the loan question is a combination of GP and AP, which finally become SNG. I mean, the point is they are very similar. So apologies, I don't think you should be practicing that, right? Okay. But how about the second question? The second question is it arriving?
No. Okay, wait, let me.
Goodness, it's bad. Right? The computer is just doing things badly. Very badly. Why are you behaving like this? Oh. Okay, how do I shortcut the problem? Do I do that? How do I do that? Oh. But some of the JC promo question do have, I mean, maybe it's promo here. It does have that kind of question.
Like prelim level?
Yeah. No, no, no. Yeah, I mean, the loan question, lah, right? Or like the loan question.
Oh,
Right,
okay.
so some do have, some do have. Anderson have. So, okay, cool. This is your number. This is your number, right? Okay, cool. Your number is 9887, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait, no, that's my dad. Sorry. Mine is
How do
8118
I
9735.
message? No, yeah. So let me check again. Yeah. 9386, right? 9386.
Huh? What?
Wait. 9386? No.
8118
Oh,
973.
What's going on here? No, here. Got it. Okay, so I'm using a camera instead. Okay, so I send you another question from Anderson. This is the JC1 promo question. Yeah. So the Sigma, the usual Sigma stuff is there, but the other guy is also here. There you go. So I think you received that one quite quickly.
Yes, I received.
Okay, yeah, so definitely my computer. So I'm showing you the other one, which I mean, it's always that guy, right? It's always that guy and that thing. Okay, this guy appears also. So if you haven't, I'll need your help to put that in the Jamboard. Yeah? My side, the Jamboard is acting up again. So never mind the Nanyang first. Oh, it's finally in. Oh my goodness. No, it's not in. Yeah, so let's just forget about that. I have to hope that the Jamboard is working fine. Oh, now it's working. Right. All right. Okay. So you're doing the new one, is it? Then the new one. Right. Okay. Right. Okay. So I'm just gonna put that picture in. Yeah. Okay. Are you stuck? I'm not seeing anything.
I'm trying to import the picture.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You see. Correct. Okay. Good. Right. Yeah, I think you did. Okay, good. Yeah, it's in. Thank you. Right. So, you do the show thing. Okay. No, let's not do the show one. I'm not saying that that's not important, but you want to practice the stigma, right? Am I correct? That's what you want.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So the show one, I think you'll get it. Okay. But the express, okay, that might be the one you want, right? So what will you do here, right? What will you do? You will choose the split one. Okay, good. You choose the split one, totally agree, right? And then what will you do with that? Okay.
MOD.
That's a likely thing. So, but how do you do MOD, right? How do you do MOD, right? Okay.
What is it in the form A? Oh no, it's after.
It's just a no. He's just telling you a bit of a hint. Okay. Yeah, are you sure it's are you sure it's 0 factorial? Oh no, I'm of course I'm sorry. It is. I'm sorry. It is. Right. Okay. That's 1, right? And then y is, oh no, it is. I'm sorry. It is. Good. Okay, maybe not too hasty. Yeah, maybe you need to write 3 first. Yeah. Okay, at this point, we will be a little bit uncomfortable if we cannot see any pattern. Do we see any pattern?
Wait, no.
Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. So yeah, if you're confident with that, just pop. Okay, and then to be certain, you should write, the 3 last one, right? The 3 last one. Okay. Right. So as you can tell, MOD takes time, but shouldn't be that difficult. Now I'll just stop you a bit. So do you feel that you can do this question?
I think so. Yeah.
You comfortable skipping it?
No. The deduce part might be.
Oh, then we need the answer. I'm guessing we need an answer. I'm guessing to deduce.
Okay, no, the basic stuff I think I can do. It's just when they twist the question, then yeah.
What kind of twist? Like for example, the first part, is that a twist?
No, I've seen that before. Part what is that part 2 or 3? Part 2?
Maybe the last one. So yeah, okay. I'm staring at it. Yeah, before I make any conclusion, I think we need the answer. I think, yeah.
Okay.
So 0 factorial, yeah?
Yeah, okay.
This one, yeah. Okay. So we have all these numbers, right? That is the number part, and then we have the fraction. Single fraction. So single fraction. They want a single fraction. Okay, right. So, yeah. I am seeing some connection. I'm not sure, but I am seeing some with the the next part lah. The next part. Yeah. Yeah, I'm very certain right now that the result in part 1 is very helpful in part 2. Very, very helpful. If you mean that this is the twist, then yeah, let's talk about it. Yeah.
Okay.
Do you see the connection first? Somehow, somewhere,
I see a bit. Like
okay,
there's
what do you
this thing,
see? Tell me what you see.
and then the 7 and 4 here.
Yeah.
I think should I expand that?
So if I were to keep it, this comes from O level, right? This comes from O level. When this kind of question happens, you want the new guy, right? The new guy is this one, to be as similar as the guy you have at the first part. Okay, they are not similar enough. For example, there's 7 and there's 7, there's 7 over 4. Now that 4, you can do something about it, right? And then hopefully when you do something about it, it becomes even more similar to the one on top. What happened just now? What
Okay.
did you tell me? Yeah, okay, then that what? What? Yeah, why is it 1 over 4?
Okay, wait, how does it? That's 4.
I think 4 is better.
Yeah,
Yes.
yes.
I think 4 is better. But I don't get the like how did there's an error in your okay. No, let's stop. So I think there's an error, right? So wait. So watch this, and watch that. Right. So look at these two.
Oh wait.
And yeah, what was the problem here, right? Yeah. What's the problem? Tell me what's the problem here. Oh no. I really mean that. That's a problem here. I hope that you can realize the problem yourself. Hi Yankin, I can see you. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay, I can hear you.
Just
So,
give me a sec.
sure. This part. Do you see the mistake? Okay, go. This part? No, you don't see any mistake? No. No. All right. So, how do I say this? Re-expand this, re-separate them lah. Re-separate them. Did you get the original? There's a mistake here. Don't go on. There's a mistake. Don't go on. There's a mistake here. If you re-expand, if you re-separate, do you get the original?
I re-expanded it.
Just write something. Yeah, I was hoping that you would see, but okay. Okay, Yankin. My goodness, Jamboard error. Right. Okay. Yeah, look, the minus is wrong. It's 4 bracket n plus 1 plus 3.
See?
Does that make sense? Hey, which kind of?
Okay.
Yeah. Let me check again. Yeah. That one is better. Okay. Right. Yeah. Okay. So Yankin, waiting for your video. Yeah.
Yep.
We're still trying to strategize before we study proper. So okay, cool. Since time is short and tomorrow is exam, right? So I should I write this? Yeah, I'm gonna just write everything, right? So currently what you have is this. Right. So there's an equal there, can you? Okay, that's just the normal thing that happens from a sigma to a non-sigma. That's what you're waiting for, right? A sigma to a non-sigma, right? Sigma left-hand side, non-sigma left side. Now I'm going to compare it with the one you're supposed to deduce, right? I'm so sorry, I missed something. This is also from r equals to 1 and n. So that's nice, right? And r equals to 1, r squared minus 1, r plus 1 squared. Okay, so a few things that encourages me is that this and this is the same. Okay, cool, correct. This and this is also the same. Now, obviously, the guy on top seems different, right? And of course, the 7 is also the same. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to door times 4. Door, whatever you do to the left, you have times 4. So suddenly I will have 7, right? And I'll have 4 and then minus 4, right? I'll have that. Okay. Right, and then he's basically saying, so if I want to put it even better, this sigma plus that is equal to 7, right? This plus that equals to 7. So there must be a difference on the left-hand side such that it is lesser than 7. Meaning to say, I'm trying to make at least I'm trying to make the right-hand side to be 7 so that the comparison becomes very easy. Furthermore, I'm going to move this guy here, right? So it becomes a plus. So now you're going to compare the left-hand side and show that obviously, because the left-hand side is different, it will be lesser than 7. Do you understand what I'm saying? If that makes some sense. Okay, give it a try, right? Okay, so Yankin, I'm looking at something here. I'm looking at
so the 19th, this is my prep for the week before, so that's 15th to 19th.
Wait, the star. Wait. The star means what? Star means
rest.
Saturday, right? Saturday, right?
It means rest, but doesn't mean Saturday actually. It means rest. At least I thought it did.
Oh yeah.
If you want me to label the Saturdays, I can, but
you can what? You can. So you sometimes are not resting on Saturday. Is that what I think?
I haven't settled that yet, but yeah, I think sometimes I would like maybe like the Friday, like the Friday after exam, like geophysics prep.
Yeah. That one I agree. That one I agree. If that's the only shift that you mean, I agree. Oh, that's why you're saying after 19, then you're entering rest. Okay, I understand what you're saying. Right. Okay. Because I'm very confused. Okay, so
19 is my physics practical.
That's the exam. Okay, I understand. Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So
and then,
I'm not
100%
about this yet. Because
the 18, right?
The 17th and the 18th, if I'm not wrong, is there's no school, it's review and consult day. So I'm not sure if I want to dedicate a full day to this.
You mean you want to use it to go to school and consult something else?
I can do it online, but I want to use. I'm not sure if I want to use it to study one of the big three topics. Big three topics first.
You mean you're willing on that day before physics practical, you're willing to study another thing, just to
it'd probably be physics, but I'll probably start with practical like beforehand. No? Means I'll move in fact, which I'm not sure if I want to do.
Right, but if you're talking about shifting, shifting is not very difficult. You're just moving days. That means you're still allocating one full day for math, for example, this week, one full day for chem, one full day for physics, one full day for physics practical. Maybe you'll swap here and there. That's all you're saying, right?
Yeah, but it's just the time. And it's a bit optimistic as well, seeing as I'm planning way further ahead than I usually do. So
what do you mean by optimistic?
I mean, I don't know how things will. I don't know how things will shake out by the time I reach the week. So maybe like something requires my attention.
So you're saying that the preparation will be less, basically. That's what you're saying. The time that you're allocating here will not be 100%. You'll hit something less because of some unforeseen circumstances.
Yeah, see, I don't know because I don't usually plan out the days. So I'm not good at how to put it. Like following like something like this, sounds so general.
Right. Again, maybe there's a misunderstanding here. Maybe there is, yeah. What I meant is that you see for yourself, it's one day, no matter how you slice it and dice it. You can slice it as half math, half chem. You can slice it as physics here, half, physics there, half, on the week itself. That's up to you. No matter, however, how you slice it and dice it, you only have one day for each. So far, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
That is not a very difficult plan. That is a general plan. That is a good plan. You don't fix the day, is what you're saying. I'm not asking you to fix the day. However, I'm asking you to see the amount of days you have for each subject. Such that you know, if you don't study math, if you sacrifice math on 15th, for example, right? On the day it happens, oh, I'm not going to study math, I'm going to study something else. You know that you are swapping math for something else. For example, you're swapping math for, I don't know, maybe for physics, maybe half physics, half chem. Okay, that makes sense as if you're not actually sacrificing, if you're doing math on other days. However, if you don't study math and you're not going to swap it for other day, you know that your math is gone right now. You know that. That's what I'm trying to say. That's obvious from me. You cannot conjure a new time out of nowhere. You can't. That is the part that you cannot do no matter what planning you do. So I don't mind you swapping stuff. Obviously, you probably should be swapping stuff on the day itself or on the week itself. What you cannot do is, let me put it another way. I want 2 days of math without sacrificing the other thing. Can you actually?
That's not gonna happen.
That's what I mean. That is what I mean. Your planning has some limitation, reality. That's the reality. Oh, I sacrificed math on 15, but I am not going to study on that day because, I have something else to do. I want to conjure up an extra day for math to replace my 15 without sacrificing the other subject. Can you do that?
No.
Right. Yeah, that's what I mean. That is exactly what I mean. That is the reality that you are seeing. That part won't change. Is that making you settle, or is that making you very nervous?
I mean, I'm looking at the days now in front of a calendar, and as I'm planning out, I have less and less days because the 3 weeks is about to begin soon, and it's not looking good.
I understand, but are you saying that if you don't look at it, it will be better?
I don't think it'll be better if I don't look at it. I mean, I should probably look at it.
So you say that you have never planned this before, in the sense that, this is not very comfortable for me to plan ahead, so to speak, so far.
I I mean, yeah, no, definitely not.
That sentence does seem to imply that I wish I don't look forward and everything will be better that way, Lo.
I mean, that was the mindset I tried to adopt, like subconsciously, you know.
Correct. And you're bringing it to you're facing it right now. You're facing with your old ways of doing things, right?
Yeah.
Now, let me state this carefully. Your discomfort here, your discomfort with reality, that's a very common thing to face as an adult. Damn, I don't like the reality I'm facing right now. I don't like it. I don't like it. Now, everybody is, I think, facing the same reality, the same constraint, basically. Correct? Yeah? Now, if they are not planning and you're planning, what does that mean? And when I say planning, I don't mean you fix the day. I mean, you see the amount of days you have. That's all. That's all. Oh, I only have this amount of days. Whoa, that's not a very nice thing to realize. I concur. If the other people don't do that, and if you do that, what does that mean?
I mean, I'm more aware of my limitations and like.
Is that
as opposed to
or
going
bad?
in blind? I mean, I think that was better.
Yeah. So you are slightly choosing this facing the future thingy
Yeah.
compared to going blind?
Yeah, I think that's an improvement.
I suppose it might be an improvement over the others that don't. I suppose that would be a great thing because if not, then planning is a waste of time and therefore it puts you at a disadvantage. What we're doing right now is a waste of time and therefore we shouldn't be doing it. Compared to other people, which some people are not doing this. Some people will assume that 3 weeks is a lot long. Right? Some people will, right? Like Pas Yankin did that, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Correct. And if they don't, I'm guessing that what they will sacrifice is rest. I'm guessing. So they will, they will take it slowly, and then they will sacrifice rest near the exam. And as a result, the exam won't be good, especially what you call the paper 1 of math. I think that paper is gone already for people who don't rest. Definitely. Definitely. That's the end of the sprint, right? So just by doing this, I feel that your math is already improving, even though it looks bleak. Even though it looks, math is improving compared to other people who don't. I feel that's what I feel. Now, are you going to plan for the 2 weeks before 14? Because I think you should count the days. I think.
Yeah, I think I should as well.
Right. And then we'll do a proper strategizing because this is not even strategizing. This is just counting the amount of resource you have. Right. So I'm going to summarize the week for you. This is what will happen. So summarizing. Okay, my Jamboard has some problem, so I apologize. Right. So let me do something. Please, Jamboard, please work out. Jamboard is not working out. Okay, please show me. Okay, my Jamboard is just bonkers today. Please show me your writing again.
Yep.
Please show me your writing again. Right. Okay. Make it landscape. Thank you. So I'm summarizing the 14 to 19 for you. Do a bracket for me, please. A big bracket. On the right hand side. I'm sorry. We need some space. Right. This is not me messing with your schedule. I'm just summarizing your schedule. Right. Okay. Yep. Something big. Okay. So you are going to have 1 day each for math, chem, phys, and phys prep. Basically, right? That's what you're going to write. Look. So 1 day each for math, chem, phys prep. That's a simple and definitely followable plan. I'm not sure why it's not 5 subjects, but that's your plan. So I just summarize for you, right? And phys prep. Yeah, you haven't account for the tuitions and everything, but here you go, right? So the next 2 weeks, the weeks before this and before that is further and further from exam. The planning should look more like the summary rather than fixed days. You understand?
As I get, sorry.
So let's say you go backward, like one more week, right? So maybe the week of 13 to I don't know, 7 to 13. Then your planning should simply say, yeah, in this week I only have 1 day each for this, or maybe I will have 2 days for this guy and then 1 day for this guy. That's all. A very simple and followable and understandable plan. Rather, it's more like counting resources. You understand? So please do that for the 2 weeks, and then we finally count everything already, right? If that makes sense to you. Hopefully that also makes it more comfortable, hopefully, right? Okay, all right, okay. Oh yeah, you're counting your it looks like we have 1 day for GP. Okay, great. I like that. I like that a lot.
Sunday was still open.
Yeah, Sunday is studying, right? Sunday is studying. Good. Yeah. Looks good to me. So do plan the other 2 weeks. So Kiko, I can finally go to you. Sorry. So yeah, I see that you're writing stuff. So you're doing that. Yeah. Yep. And what's going on? Okay, sorry. Okay, cool. What do you want to achieve here?
I don't know. I just expanded.
You expand.
No, I expand. Try to obtain this, which is like, which is.
Yeah. It would be nice if we can, lah. True. It would be nice if we can. True.
But I don't know if that has helped much though. Like I managed to get this, which looks similar to this.
Okay, so basically there's a sigma here, isn't it? Correct? Because the difference between this guy and this guy is this guy has sigma and this guy does not. And this guy definitely has sigma, right? So this is a sigma. This is still a sigma, is it? This is still a sigma?
Yes.
So this is still a sigma. And this is also still a sigma. Is that what we are looking at here? Right, sigma. So you are improving in the sense that this is now the same as that, right? And we can therefore basically ignore it. That's the beauty of it, right? That's the beauty of it. So now you're just, this is also a sigma, right? So I mean, you're just in the sense of clarity, this is also a sigma, right? So all you have to do, correct, in this case is to first of all, there's a plus here. So, you have been doing the plus minus error for 2 times. This is a plus here, right? Is it a plus here? Right. This is also a plus, yeah? So good, right? So good. We can even ignore the plus, right? So to speak, right? Ignore. So all you have to do, I believe, is to show that this is bigger than that. If that makes sense. That's all you have to do. Does that make sense? Yeah, that's for n plus 7 over, yeah. So this guy without sigma is bigger than this guy without sigma, then you will have shown what they want you to do. Does that make sense?
Yes.
But how to compare a guy without sigma and a guy with sigma? You can't. The best you can do, I think, in this case, is to convert the guy with sigma into a non-sigma, if that is possible. If that is possible. And I think that is possible.
With MOD.
Maybe. Yeah, maybe. Because you cannot just compare a guy with non-sigma with a guy with sigma. Cannot. What do you think about that? Okay, so are you writing somewhere? No, you're not. No, that means you're a bit stuck. So what are you thinking, Kiko?
Okay, no, I'm a bit tired already. Yeah.
This is the first time you say you're tired.
Yeah,
but I do notice that. Tell me.
I had a busy day today. I had tests also, like bio practical test.
Yeah. No, yeah, you're gone. Now, this happens before exam. Does this bother you?
Like right, the day right before?
Yeah, because tomorrow is this exam.
Oh, actually, usually I wake up. No, I sleep early, then I wake up early. So like usually after tuition, I just go to sleep. So yeah.
So hopefully you can think better tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, you're the longest one without saying you're tired. I was waiting for the day. Okay, when is Keiko gonna get tired? Oh, but yeah, today is tired, and it's very
Oh,
understandable.
okay.
Right. So, if you just kind of catch what I do or what I say, then you just sleep today and just do it tomorrow morning, and no need to worry about it too much. Okay.
Okay.
Right. So don't worry about it. Okay. So take care. Have a good sleep. Have a good rest, and I'll see you on Sunday.
Okay.
All right. Bye.
Bye-bye.
I don't know what to put.
Okay, then I'll put something for you. If you don't like it, you check, you correct me, right? So you have 6 days, right? You have 6.
One,
Wait,
two,
how come
three,
you don't have 4? 4 before rest. Right?
Oh, this is the 9th, so that's a Tuesday.
Correct, because that's the
National
national day. Yeah. So
And
you're
I'm unlikely to do anything.
all right. So at least you're looking at it, like at least you're so in these 4 days, I will suggest to you half history, half GP, half day, and then 1 chem, 1 physics, 1 math. Ta-da.
Okay.
Right? I'm not asking for placement. Please. You start from the big bracket first. You start from the big bracket first. And you're not having a rest. Oh my goodness. The distance from your star to the other star is very far.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't think that's a good idea. Right? Let's see. Let's see. Right? So half day history, half day GP, then 1 for fixed math. Okay. That's what I suggest for that 4 days. Already without rest. So
See, I'm not sure about that either, because I know that's probably going to be a bad idea, but
yeah, but you're lacking in time. You're
that means
crazy, right?
I have to give up something if I want that rest that day.
Yeah, you have to sacrifice something for the next good 7 days. Let me state this carefully. There is no way that you're okay. Let's start from 10. 10 is a good day because you just rested and had fun, right? I like that, right? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, right? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Then there's no way that your 15 is as good as your 14 or as good as your 10. Cannot be one. So if you don't rest, your 15, 16, 17, 18 will be lousy. Like lousy or a little bit lousy or a lot lousy. What's your experience with yourself?
Probably a lot.
So if you're not resting, what are you sacrificing?
Quality of focus.
On 15, 16, 17, and 18, if you're lucky.
Critical days.
Yeah, you get what I mean. But if you rest, what are you sacrificing? 1 day.
Time.
Yeah, 1 day. But if you are not resting, what are you sacrificing?
Quality, I guess. And like
for 4 days. For 4 days. For 4 days. And it will get worse, right? It will get worse. And you're planning to not rest on the 19th, which is the worst day, which you're supposed to do physics practical.
I mean,
you're crazy, right? If you think about it that way, that's just crazy, right?
I mean, after physics practical, then I'll just,
rest. Yeah, but your physics practical is the worst of all. I mean, if you're talking about 10 continuous days without rest.
Oh, yeah.
That's crazy, right? That's crazy, right? That's crazy, right? Your preparation will suck on 18, and in your 19, you're going to, I don't know, might as well don't study, right? Now, which sacrifice is, you already put your rest day. So I assume this is because you think sacrificing 1 day is better than sacrificing the quality of 4 days plus your exam.
Yeah, I think that's fair.
So it's a fair sacrifice, right? It's a better sacrifice. It is better, right? better rest on that Saturday, you know, because that I think is a critical week. I think I agree with you. That's a critical week.
Yeah.
Okay, so go back. Now we have 3 days, right? Now we have 3 days. Now we have 3 days. So I am going to skip physics. So I'm gonna cut, basically I'm cutting physics out. I'm trading physics for rest, right? So history, GP half, then chem 1 day, math 1 day. If you don't like it, you change the bracket first before you assign the days. Again, please write down history, GP half, unless you want to change already right now. That's half, that's half, that's one, that's one. So your sacrifice is physics. Seems to make sense to me, considering the next week. Okay. I mean, we still have 8, we still have 8, right?
And I guess I just slot chem and math in.
Yeah, doesn't matter which day, right? It can be half also, I want to do half math, whatever, do what you want, right? Do what you want. If you end up doing math for 2 days, is that good or bad?
Doing math for 2 days, like straight.
For some reason, you're so on fire with math, because maybe after rest, right? Math 11, math 12. That's what happened in the day itself. Is that good or bad?
I mean, I guess I could just change it. I mean,
yeah, you can just swap the next week, right? It's not that difficult in terms of planning, right? Correct?
I guess not.
Right. So now let's go from 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. I don't know until the first rest day. I'm guessing we're touching today already, right? So 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How many days we have?
I guess I'll settle the 8 and 7 first. The 8 is
No, let's do it in one block. Let's do it in blocks per rest. So when is your last rest before 9th? Right, 9th is Tuesday, it's a star.
Yeah,
When is your next?
6 from the 6th Saturday.
Oh, it's 6. Oh, this is only a block of 2, right? Okay. Right. Okay, I understand. Right. So this is a block of 2, right? Okay. So in these 2, I mean, do you want me to give a suggestion?
Yep. I mean, you're welcome to.
All right. Let's just do physics on tuition, on your tuition, and we'll just do chem and math. 1 chem, 1 math. That's my suggestion. You feel free to just change, right?
Here.
Yeah. And that block, 1 day chem, 1 day math. Simple. I mean, you need time for math, You need a lot of math days anyway. Remember, math is the guy which we don't get to study. Right. So going to, yeah, I mean, like I said, it's sacrificing one or the other, right?
And already, no, that was a swap.
Let's look at 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 first until the first day, and then you see the whole picture. You don't plan per block like this one, and that's a bad planning. It's just a bad planning. I don't have enough physics. Well, if it is 6 days you study physics, then you have enough physics one. Right, that will be the star, right? Okay, then let's go until the next star. Is the next star tomorrow or something?
Right. Tomorrow is a Friday.
So what's your next star? What's your next star?
I guess it'll be 29.
Okay, you can. So we plan between stars, right?
That will be first. Yeah. Thanks, not. Okay.
You are rather tired today, I'm guessing.
It's been a long day, and I forgot there was tuition, so I had to rush back. So
Correct. Meaning to say, if you rest tomorrow, that's actually bodes well for everything else afterwards, right? Rather than, for example, you rest on 30th, right? For example. Does that make sense? I'm not tempting you. I really mean that you're tired. Well, rest lah.
Okay.
Okay, then
Right.
a star, please. A star lah on 29th, right? Simple, right? At the end of tuition, which is very, very soon, you are starting your rest lah. Okay, so how many more days do we have here? Is it 6? Is it 5? Is it
1, 2,
8?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 days.
7, right? You have 7 days, right? So 1 for each plus lah, right? Correct. So go ahead and say that. 1 for each, then your plus you allocate accordingly lah. Right? So big bracket. Right, and that's it, right? Okay, so who will you assign 2 days? Or you can even assign one subject 3 days here. That's totally up to you. Okay, so assign first,
I
and
think
then you
one of them's going to
total.
be physics. But
Okay,
sure,
then you assign physics too. I don't think you should be worried about when and where, That's not very important, really. That's not very important right now. So please assign physics 2. That's what you want, right? So 2. You have 1 more day, right? If you're thinking too long, then I'll just say math already lah. For a simple reason of you need more math.
I always need more math.
Yeah, I mean, and you're not getting math near the math exam for more than 1 week. I guess that makes sense, right? So just simply assign math lah.
So math is here, paper 1. Yeah.
I mean, you're only preparing for paper 1. That's the good thing about math. That's the good thing about math. You're not going to touch statistics at all. Imagine that. So there is one good thing about math. Whereas for physics and chem, you need to prepare for paper 2. Which is usually everything, but usually the simpler question. So good and bad. It's both good and both bad. But there are good things there.
Yeah.
So I'm not gonna discuss the quality difference between 30th August and 5th. I mean, it's actually 30th July actually.
Oh.
Right. So yeah, there is a quality difference between 30th July and 5th August, but we're gonna pretend that it doesn't exist for now. Okay, we're just gonna pretend that. Okay, no need to go into that detail yet. Now, what you need to do is to total everything.
Total everything.
Yeah, so just to make yourself clear, okay, your total math from now until there, your total math, your total physics, your total GP, you see for yourself how many days you have lah. If you get what I mean. Then you finish counting already.
Physics is 2.
Right. Ainesh,
Three. Let's call it 3.
Kakak Brian, can you hear me? Oh.
3, 4, 5.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, Ainesh, finally I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes.
All right, wonderful. All that right. Okay. So Ainesh, very quickly, today my Jamboard is Super Saki. I'm not sure why, Super Saki. So
Okay.
I have to follow your even more lah. That's what it means lah. My Jamboard is not working very well for me today. I have no idea. I've been troubleshooting. Right, so just send.
All right.
So before that, I'll Brian first. Kakak Brian, can you hear me?
Hi. Oh yeah, yeah. Hello.
Right, okay, I can hear you also. So I was telling Ainesh, super sucky today. I have no idea what's going on. That means I will be following their video more, which means I will be relying on you more lah. I mean, only for those 2 students lah, even more lah. Okay.
Wait, can you repeat? Didn't catch the first part.
Right, because my Jamboard so sucky, right?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Today,
Okay,
yeah, I don't get a why, but that simply means I'm even more reliant on you, on the 2 students lah.
Sure.
Right. So today is full of surprises as per usual. So Aditya forget yesterday there was a tuition, so he'll be joining in today. That's one, right? Ainesh swapped his Tuesday to today also. So those are the 2 surprises. Thursday is always full of surprises, right? Okay, so you're done with Noah, right?
Yeah.
Right. So I think today you'll be with Mike and Aditya lah. I think, yeah. Right. So let's see what's happened. Right, Ainesh, I'm waiting for your video.
I thought you speak about like when we do whatever first. Like my
right.
dad spoke to you about science, right?
Let's
what
talk
do we
about
do?
it. Okay,
Yeah.
let's talk about that. Let me talk to Yankin, your senior, just for a while. So just a minute. So Yankin, that is your total.
Yep.
You need to separate the physics practical and the chem practical. I think you need to. I think you need to, you know. Right. So I'll leave that to you. But
Yeah.
my next question for Sunday lah. Sunday we'll just go in detail. You like your planning so far? How does it feel?
I mean, it feels like I have no frame of reference, so you know.
Oh, because this is new.
Yeah.
Oh no, you have a frame of reference. Your frame of reference is blindness lah.
Oh, then yeah, it's better, definitely. Yeah.
Yeah lah. See, you have a frame of reference what I'm talking about, right? You do have. Oh, you don't know how well this will go lah. That's what you're saying. But this is
Yeah.
probably better than going blind, probably. Probably. Right? At least you know the pitfalls ahead. At least you know. And I like your rest day. I really like it. Yeah. Right. So going forward, you don't have to fix the days. You can actually feel the days as you go, you know. Oh, today I end up doing this. Okay lah. Good for you, right? You can do that. Right. So the details of the day are not very important. I'll cover, I think, 2 more details which I think are very important on Sunday lah. But on Sunday, you are starting your 30th July already.
Yeah.
You should already be doing something and make our tuition useful. Assume our tuition is not planning. Assume that our tuition is discussing question. You will still be planning. Just assume for a while.
Yeah, right.
Okay, right. So that's it for Sunday lah. I'll see you.
Yeah, I'll see you on Saturday.
Take care. Have a good rest. Bye bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Yes. All right, Ainesh. Right. So I was speaking to your father, right? So father say you want science, right?
Yeah.
You know that our math is split to 3 days, right? And then every week we kind of shift 1 day. So basically you're using 4 days, but get 3 days lah. That's just what happened, right? Sometimes
but 2 to 4 days.
sometimes, you know, that kind of thing. So we only have 5 days, or rather I can only do 5 days of tuition. My Friday and Saturday is just off limit lah. That not this week. It's just off limit. Let me tell you what happened if I don't obey my own rule lah. That's my rule lah. That's my rule. I don't do Friday. I don't do Saturday. If I don't obey that, I'll be super cranky.
Oh.
So my Friday and my Saturday, kind of rest, kind of not meeting you
I can't do on
guys.
Fridays either, FCC.
I understand.
I come home at like 9.
Correct. But no Saturdays also.
Yeah.
If I do on Saturday, then my other days I'll be very cranky lah. Then that's not good. Right? So out of the 5 days, we are using 4, but we get 3 lah for math. Okay, so far so good. That's just what happened, right?
Yeah.
Right. So we have 1 day, which is really Monday. We have Monday for science. Currently, that's the reality.
Yes.
Is that good or bad for you?
1 day a week.
That's all we have with our current reality, unfortunately.
Hmm. Okay,
I'm not
I mean, 1 day a
sure
week is
you're
obviously not going to be very effective. So
that's what I say to that's why I imply to your father lah. Then your father say maybe 1 day is enough. Well, I'm talking to you right now. Right. I also don't know what's your problem with science. So I must take your word, I must take your word that 1 day is just not enough. Right.
I mean, my side. Okay, basically, if obviously we can do 1 day, but if we do 1 day, it's going to be a lot more rushed. And the whole point of having tuition with you is to make sure it isn't rushed. So that's going to
I
be.
would agree. I would agree.
Yeah.
And currently our math is not delayable, kind of like our math is not in the situation where we can cut days lah, then and suffer no consequences. We cannot.
Yes, that's 100% true.
Look, we'll stick with what we know. We'll stick with what we know. We'll lengthen Sunday, right? That's one thing lah.
Yes, that's
We'll
what I was
lengthen
saying.
Sunday, right? So we'll stick with that. Kyoko is already. Kyoko is probably as easy as you. Like she's so active, in her CCA and everything. So she's already requesting, ayo Sunday 2 hour lah. Sunday 2 hour and then Tuesday 1 hour. Right? She wants to try 2 hours. Okay, I think 2 hour a bit ambitious, but give it a try. Give it a try lah. Right?
2 hours.
Yeah, 2 hours. I mean, it's Sunday lah, but can she do 2 hours? Maybe she can. I'm not saying that you should, I'm just saying that busy people like that one, no. I mean, it's better for her than to do it on the other days when she's very tired. It's better for her. So her Wednesday not good, her Thursday not good. Yeah, better Sunday. Right?
True, but I think it'd be better to like take a 1 hour and then there's like a break in between and then another hour if that's possible.
So you're saying that that's for Sunday lah.
Yeah.
That makes some sense. So actually you can do 1 hour, 7:30 to 8:30, right? Then you break for half an hour. That's kind of okay break. I usually give 1 hour break, but half an hour, maybe.
Yeah, and then 9 to
from
10.
9 to 10. And then you shouldn't be tired for the Monday class also. That's the last thing I want to do to you. I don't want that.
True.
Maybe you can try that and see the effect for the whole week, right? See the effect for Monday, what's going on here, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I'm hesitant, but that's what we can do lah right now. Then you see whether you can squeeze in a little bit more good time on your weekdays. Then maybe science is a reality. I don't know. Maybe.
Yeah, I mean, there's always the fact that every alternate Wednesday is a holiday. So.
Why is that so? That's a very wonderful news. Why is that so?
Oh, it's just my school has this blended learning thing. So every alternate Wednesday, they give us work online, but our teachers are not very tech savvy. So we just don't get any work online. So it's literally just a holiday.
Is that good or bad? Let me think for a while. Never mind.
From like a school perspective, I mean, that's why our lessons are usually a bit more rushed because we always miss 1 day of lessons.
So we end up just squeezing everything lah.
Yeah, like the school, yeah.
So you automatically need the rest lah. So Wednesday is the rest lah. Okay lah. Okay, I don't mind. I don't mind that. Yeah, I can accept that. So what can we do with that? I mean, like Wednesday is a fresh day for you or something?
Every alternate Wednesday is a fresh day for me, yeah. So I guess like it won't be that tiring tuition-wise because
you sound super fresh lah. Yesterday you sound super fresh lah. I like you yesterday lah.
Yesterday, yeah. Because I got to like wake up at 11, have a proper rest.
Yeah. I don't mind. I'm not complaining with that. Even a proper lunch, even a proper, everything proper. Being a human being, right?
Yeah.
So maybe on alternate I'm not sure whether that makes sense or not. On alternate Wednesdays, your session is slightly longer. Maybe.
Yeah, I guess then we like shorten it from Sunday probably. Or Monday, depending on we'll try this week because this week I don't have the holiday. So
Yeah, we're not gonna do it this week.
yeah, so we try this week. No, we try this week, and then I'll see if I'm more tired on Sunday or on Monday. And
Yeah.
then on the following week where I have the holiday, we'll
Yeah.
just shave off the extra time from
Yeah.
Sunday and Monday and add it to Wednesday.
That would be a good idea. I think that would be a good idea. So are we doing Monday or not?
Yeah.
So we're doing tomorrow. So like, let me get it straight. Wow. Okay. So we're trying for 2 hours Sunday, this Sunday,
Yes.
and we're trying for a 1 hour Monday.
Yeah.
And then we still have 1 hour Tuesday and either 1 hour Wednesday or 1 hour Thursday, like either one, like whatever. Like. Or the Tuesday is blank, but then 1 hour Wednesday, 1 hour Thursday, either one. I think that makes more sense. I think maybe. So Sunday, Monday, no Wednesday, Thursday lah.
Actually, you know what? I agree. My Tuesdays are more tiring than my Thursdays.
So no Tuesday lah, no Tuesday tuition.
Yeah, no Tuesday
tuition is bad lah, especially when you don't have a Wednesday off, right? Especially lah.
Yeah, but the thing is, my Tuesday is so tiring because all my subjects happen on Tuesday. Both my sciences, my math, everything happens on Tuesday. So that's why tuition on Tuesday
It's
helps
just
me
gone.
clarify my doubts immediately. So
Yeah, and I don't want that. Actually, now it makes sense, Now your Sunday and Monday tuition is your preparation for Tuesday. I mean, that's how we should see it, right? Right. And then your Tuesday should be off lah, because you finish your class kind of though.
Yes.
Let's worry again on Wednesday and Thursday. Maybe that's just better for you lah.
Okay, that sounds good.
Okay, so what we're trying for this week is, more ambitious timing. So Sunday 2 hour, Monday 1 hour. Hopefully your Tuesday is great. Off Wednesday 1 hour, Thursday 1 hour. Let's see whether you die or not.
Okay, what are we doing on Monday? Math or science?
I have no idea, but we'll just see lah. Because we don't have to fix the day so kind of. How do I say this? If you settle your math, then we do science. If we can squeeze in science, we squeeze in science. I don't know how to say, because I don't know your science situation. I don't know yet.
It's a lot better than my math situation, like the math situation that you picked up on April. It is better than that for sure.
Okay, then what I'll say is this. By the way, Aditya, I can see you. Yeah, Aditya, can you hear me? Right. Okay. So then that means, Ainesh, very simple, because math I still have to take initiative. Right? I think you have to do this. I think you have to do that. That's just math right now, right? For science, if you take initiative, it'll be much easier. That means you're already doing the question or practicing the question. You have your problems. You come to me.
Actually, no, not yet. I think we'll need like a couple of weeks first, because like dynamics and kinematics for physics, and for chemistry, the whole mole topic. Those are the 3 topics I'm having issues with.
So we just discussed that.
Yeah, we that out first, and then
Plus, we need to prioritize one of them first. You probably cannot switch and hope to get a good result. Probably you should say physics first or chemistry first. Perhaps you should say. So physics first. Then we're just doing math and physics. In the very little chance that we can squeeze in chem, we do, but I doubt.
Yeah.
Chem, you do yourself first. Don't be too ambitious.
True, yeah, I agree.
Okay, then that's what we do. Whereas, where do you do physics? I don't know yet. We have to see. I don't know. We'll do it when we do it.
Okay.
Right. So Sunday still math, right? Okay, because I want you to get ahead. I think I know how to get you to be ahead.
Wait, so 2 hours of math.
Will you die out of brain damage or something?
I thought it'd be 1 hour science, 1 hour math.
Let's try that. Okay, but your physics, you take initiative first. You'll be asking me questions, not me giving you questions. Because I still don't know where you are. Understand?
Okay. How about I outline my my situation?
Oh yeah.
And then you tell me whether what I should take, or should I take initiative? Should I show you questions, etc.
Right. Then let's do that on the second hour lah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, like that lah. Right.
Yeah.
Right. So for today, if you don't have math, and you don't have any sciences, then we'll just call it a day for today lah. Enough planning lah. That's our plan.
Okay.
Unless you have a science question today, then we can discuss further. If not, cannot do anything today.
I mean, I have a chem paper, but I don't have any questions on the chem paper, so
Then no point.
yeah.
At this point, no point yet.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I will see you on Sunday. Be fresh. Right.
I'll see you.
Okay.
All
All right.
Bye.
Bye. Okay. So Aditya and Aryan. Aryan, I can see you. Yeah. Okay. Aditya. So what do you have for us today? You're muted.
So I have my test on 8th of August for
8 of
math.
August. Wonderful. Right.
For math and A math, I think it's I think the 12th of August.
So you have the topics and everything, right?
Yep.
Okay. All right. I mean,
Worst part is
worst part?
most annoying thing.
Yes, most annoying thing in this
Trigo
whole
isn't
world.
tested in E math.
So we are not going to enjoy our fruit of labor, whether EMAT or AMAT.
Yeah.
Both are not. Both are not.
Yeah, we didn't do Trigo in A math yet, so
so they're forcing you to do past topics. Is that what I'm saying? Is that what they're saying?
yeah.
Show me your past topic. Like this will be frustrating, right? Yeah, but you know that already. You know that already. This will be frustrating. People
Everyone
today
was
like what, happy or not happy?
No, everyone was like so mad.
Yeah, I don't get it though. I really don't get that part. I actually don't get it at all. Why would they do that to you guys? Why do we dig up the past? This is there a particular? Never mind. I don't want to ask. Don't want to ask. Right. Okay. People, I have to tell you that my Jamboard sucks today. I don't know why. Right? I have no idea why. Right. So if there's a Jamboard problem, I have to rely on the video even more. That's just what it is. Okay. Right. So Aditya, show me the syllabus now. I mean, show me the test topic. At least we know lah. At least I know something. Right. Show me or put it in the Jamboard or send me in the WhatsApp. Yeah. Okay, so Aryan, you're muted. All right, Aryan, you're muted. Sorry. Are you doing the paper? Are you just continuing with your paper?
Which paper?
I don't know. It seems like you're doing a paper.
Oh, no, I'm doing a revision worksheet.
So topical or
no, it's a binomial theorem revision worksheet.
Right. So you just go topic by topic lah.
Yeah.
All right. Are you comfortable with that so far?
I'm trying to do the harder questions.
Yes, please. You don't waste time with the easier one, unless you're super rusty lah. If you're rusty, you tell me immediately. Right? Yeah. Okay. Wonderful. No questions so far?
No.
All right. Okay. Michael, I can see you. Michael, can you hear me?
Can I leave on my phone?
Yes, of course. Oh, yeah, of course, you can.
Because I actually turned on the mic on my phone and it's annoying.
Yeah. I mean, you can leave the audio lah. I mean, yeah. I mean, you can leave also. Sure. Of course, it's annoying. So, Aditya, did you send me something?
No, not yet. I just found the thing.
Right. Oh, I forgot to mention Brian. Yeah, so Kyoko today is not here. Kyoko hates Thursday, I think. Kyoko on Thursday is useless. So Kyoko will do 2 hours on Sunday instead.
Okay.
So our Sunday is now again more crowded, and there you are. I have your help. I'm very happy.
Okay, sure.
So today is 3-person, and Aditya, I want to know Aditya's situation instead, so Aditya will not be with you lah, right? So I think, okay, you look at Michael's question right now, Brian. What do you think?
I think it's a bit harder.
Okay, then I'll have you with Aryan, then. Okay.
Okay, sure.
All right. So Aryan, for today you'll be with Kakak Brian. Yeah?
Yep.
Okay. Assign Brian. Okay, good. Michael, if you have trouble, please tell me. This is the new topic, right? This is new to you, right?
Sure.
The alternate
no, it
segment
is.
theorem is new, right? So do you understand what's can you see visually what's alternate segment theorem?
I know what it is. I know what it looks like. I don't understand why, but sure.
Yeah. As long as you can use it, never mind the why for now. Like
I
never
just
mind.
know. So this is the printing is bad, but this is a tangent is mentioned
Wonderful.
up here.
All
But
right.
this
That
is
guy?
a tangent. This is a triangle within a circle. So this
Yeah.
angle is equal to this angle.
And
And
the
then,
other one?
this other one is equal to where is it? This angle.
Wonderful. Okay. That was correct. And as per usual, the drawing will be complicated, right?
Does this
Feel
mean
free
that
to
this is
ask.
90 degrees? Because technically,
And of course not. No, of course not. What do you mean? No, because the 90 is no, of course not. What are you talking about? It's not 90. No, there's no reason for that to be 90. I'm serious. Why is there a reason for that to be 90?
oh yeah, it's not.
I mean, that's not a diameter, lah. That's not.
Yeah,
Okay,
they
so
never
it's not-
mention it. Yeah.
Yeah, so shouldn't assume that. So, Aditya, you sent me something. I hope I
I
can
think
open it.
you'll have to like go up and down a little bit to find like the parts. So basically it's functions.
Okay, tell me. Yeah, functions.
It's functions and yeah, no trigonometry, which is really annoying.
It is. No, it is. It is very, very never mind. Never mind. Just
And
speaking. Yeah, you must send
instead
it
of that,
because Tell me. Because I have difficulty opening it. It's me, it's not you, yeah. It's me.
oh, okay, so
Function, yeah.
exercise 9.1. You know what? Let me just open my book. This is really annoying.
Which page do you want me to see? Now I can open it. Which page do you want me to see?
It's on page 3. Like it tells like the topics, but it's in terms of the exercises in the book. So I'm just gonna use my book.
Common test 3, right? Common test 3. Okay. You tell me. Yeah. So what are they?
So exercise 3.2 to 3.6.
Yeah. What is that?
Definitely not this stuff. There we go. So yeah, it's basically function. No, wait, what the hell? Oh, okay. Oh, this is just even more annoying. Okay, so 3.2 is in the book. In the book, it is 25E. All right, so
okay, yeah.
functions.
I'm lost.
Functions.
I'm lost. All the functions, right? So wait, let me see. Let me just see. Because this
It
is the
is-
first time I'm seeing your syllabus in detail. Yeah, oh nice. Composite, inverse, reciprocal, graph. Okay, nice. I understand this. Okay, good then. I understand that.
And then we have our 2.11.
Okay.
2.11. 2.11. So asymptotes, find zeros, local, maximum, and minimum.
I understand.
Functions, still functions.
Yeah, basically.
9.1 to 9.4. So wow, this is way more annoying than I thought it would be.
Okay, I'm gonna be Michael first. Okay, you gotta sort this out. Right? So Michael, are you facing a problem? Thinking is fine. I'm fine.
So okay, wait. So this angle here is
yeah. Please go to left. I'm sorry. Yeah. Yes, Michael. Sorry. This angle.
This angle here is 180 minus this and this. But since this is what is it? It says here that it is equal. Wait, where is it?
CD equals.
CE tangents.
It doesn't look equal, but it is equal.
No, CD equal to CE. And then
so that's nice.
This is equal, so this is equal to this. So that's how I did part A, and then
looks good.
So like basically part B is like explain what this this trapezium can be inside a circle.
Parallelogram. Yeah. So let me explain that. This is frequently happening, but it's totally new, right? So I'm gonna copy that. Okay, again, my Jamboard has a problem, so hopefully it's not bad today, Michael, but it's very annoying right now. It's very annoying right now. Hopefully it doesn't affect us. Aditya is going back to not
Yeah,
landscape.
it's sets, but we haven't done sets yet.
What does
So
that
this isn't included.
mean?
It's just functions.
So your test is only functions?
Yeah,
That's very weird.
yeah.
That's good, but I don't think life can be that good,
Same.
right? I don't think so, right? Actually, I hope that now Trigo is in. Hey, why don't you ask your teacher? Hey, why don't you? Tomorrow lah.
Already.
Right? Makes sense, right? To ask, right? This is AMAT, right? This is AMAT. Yeah, so good.
This
Now,
is
how
this
about-
is EMAS. AMAS isn't AMAS is
Oh, this
AMAS
is email.
we
Oh,
yeah. AMAS is
you check first, huh? You check first. I'll be with Michael. My Jamboard sucks today, so I have to explain to you manually. Now, draw a small circle beside a new one.
Beside the one.
Yeah, just a separate circle. I'm just asking you to draw a separate circle using a
Oh.
pencil right beside. I'm going to explain this by asking you to do that.
Okay, wait.
Quickly,
Draw
using
a
pencil.
small
Yeah.
circle.
A nice circle, a nice
Here?
circle. Yeah, no, don't get yeah. Just a nice circle, right? So I'm going to ask you to recall your email. Yeah. So now have 4 random points, please, on the circle. 4 random points. Wonderful. Yeah. Yeah. And now draw the quadrilateral. Now draw the quadrilateral. Wonderful. Wonderful. Now I'm referring to EMAT. That means something you know already, Michael. So this is a revision. Yeah, this is a revision.
Okay.
Label one random guy X, please. Just one random guy, whichever. Whichever angle. Yeah, whichever angle in the circle, whichever angle. On the new circle, please one guy choose. Okay, that will be X. Which one? Okay, that's it. Okay, now you go across that guy. So the guy across. Tell me what is that guy based on EMAT. Wonderful. That's called I don't know what's the name, complementary or something, right?
Opposite segment.
Opposite segment, right? This is what you use to prove. If those pair are X and 180 minus X, it fits in a circle. That easy.
Yeah, no, I was getting to that, but I was just trying to see it, I guess.
Then label. So now I'm going to help you with it. So the small angle on the label X.
On the label.
The CDE, the CDE label X, right? So labeling is going to be very useful in this topic. CED also X, correct?
CED is also X, yeah.
Correct, right?
So
then those are X also, right? X and X, right? Correct. So you know that those are two X, they're very convenient. Now, what is angle DCE?
Angle DCE is 180 minus 2X.
Voila.
Okay.
You got it. Do you understand? Yeah. Now, understand me. This is what I tell Aryan. This is what I'm going to do in exam. I'm an O-level candidate. Labeling is super, super useful in this topic.
So can I just say let angle CDE equal to X?
X, and this is X, and that's Z, therefore, and then, very helpful for presentation also, not just for seeing things. Can you?
Okay.
Okay. So Noah, I can see you. Late, but I can see. Yeah. Right. So Aditya, are you ready to tell me what's AMAT? What's AMAT?
AMAT, just one sec. I need to open this up because it's like way down. There we go.
Right. So tell me what's going on.
So in AMAT, we have ourselves equations, inequalities and graphs, straight line graphs, linear law, and circular measure.
Wait, equations, inequalities, then?
Straight line graphs, linear law, and circular measure. But circular measure isn't covered because we didn't do that in class.
Circular measure, whatever that is. But linear law is not.
It's like circles, it's like the arc length and sector.
Oh, we're not going to have that.
Yeah, no.
Okay, why I have no idea, right? Arc and sector.
We
but not
didn't do
include.
that yet in class.
But linear law also you haven't, Linear law is like the last sub-chapter of the straight line chapter.
Yeah, we're doing that like next week.
Okay. So there's no replacement for arc sector lah. He's not gonna slip in any topic lah, any sticky topic lah. Are you sure about it?
Yeah, no.
All right. So just to be sure lah. So for the EMAT, better ask, right? Cannot be just function, right? Ask lah.
Yeah.
So today, are we studying linear law or something else?
I got this practice sheet like during EMAT class.
Mm-hmm.
And like, I mean, we got 2 and I finished 1. So this is the other one.
Okay.
This is like the
Mhm.
supposed to be the other one.
Okay. I still want you to do the difficult question in tuition. Not the easy one. Right? There'll be a waste of time.
That's why I kept this for
All
now.
right. So make it so. Let's do it lah. Okay, I understand your AMAT. I'm gonna think about it for a while. Noah, you're muted. Are you okay? Can you hear me? Noah, you're muted. Right. Can you hear me? Right. Okay. I'm seeing a question there. Wonderful. What do you want me to do?
Hold on, I'm doing it because it's homework.
Oh, wonderful. Now, my Jamboard today very bad, so I might not be able to use it effectively. I don't know why. Yeah, I'm still troubleshooting.
Okay.
Are you saying that you're not stuck right now?
Hold on, I was looking for a calculator.
Wonderful. Right. Yeah, my Jamboard. So Aditya, you're not starting anything? Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I was just doing some stuff.
That looks like a trigonometry question.
Yep.
So we are practicing trigonometry and we're not doing it for exam.
Yeah.
This is too easy for you, by the way. Zoom in, please. Zoom in. Yeah, this is too easy for you. You're not going to do this. Not in tuition. You can do this by yourself. Yeah. Skip. Too easy.
It was like in the last 2 minutes of class.
Okay, there's a third question. No, that's not a third question. That's actually not. That just looks like a third question. Can you do 4 and 5? Can you do that? I've never seen you do this. Can you?
Yeah, sure.
All right, give it a try. Zoom in a bit, please.
Oh, yeah, my bad.
Michael, any
problem? Zoomed out. What?
Yeah.
Sorry, you have a problem? Sorry.
Yes.
All right. Show me which one.
I switched to EMAF because that was pretty much the only question I had problems with the EMAF.
I was hoping that you practice more of that topic.
No, I practiced already. That's question 5 out of 5 4 other questions.
Okay.
Practice questions. Yeah.
All right. So this one then. So tell me what's your problem with this one?
The ratio. So it says the ratio of the area of the triangle is 1:4 of the small triangle ACD. Oh no, CBD is 1 basically, and ACD is 4. This is what they're saying.
He say lah. Okay, he said good.
Then it says show CAD is 30, and then when me and my friends discuss, we don't know exactly. Someone suggested maybe was it corresponding?
Okay, let's stop here. Let's stop. So this has something to do with the triangle method I mentioned, because the triangle method always involves 2 similar triangles, correct?
Yeah.
Now, are they similar triangles?
No. Yes.
Because they even ask you to prove, right? So definitely suspect, number 1 suspicion, that's going to be useful. I just feel that you are not using it to the fullest extent. So let me repeat the triangle method again. Please draw the triangle such that you can see them clearly. This, I don't think, is very clear. You want to at least make them, both upright. You understand what I'm saying? Like one big one that's upright, but one small one also, maybe something like that is slightly better for us. It's a visual question. So at least do that, please, for yourself. Triangle method. Respect it.
Okay.
Inspect the triangle. Make them both upright.
Both upright.
Yeah, I mean, one is already upright, right? The ACD is upright. So at least draw the small triangle upright also. When I say upright, I mean like that, right? In the Jamboard, like that. At least draw that.
Do I draw it on the side?
Up to you. As long as it is not visually confusing. This is a visual question, so make it not confusing.
Okay.
You're gonna use it anyway, right? And label it properly also, right? I don't mind what you're doing, Aditya. It seems correct, but how are you going to progress from here? See?
You're gonna use the identity?
No,
yeah, that doesn't make sense.
I don't mean that doesn't make sense, right? So try for 1 minute. So 90 degree, Michael, just to emphasize.
Yes.
Now, whatever your friends were discussing, it feels that you're not discussing the 1/4, right? The ratio of area, similar triangle, like super duper EMAT. What to do with 1/4? It has the area ratio, so we can do something about it.
Okay.
Oh dear. In the triangle method, similar triangle, you really want the ratio of the length. You really want the ratio of the length, correct?
Yeah.
You don't have the ratio of the length right now. Usually in the triangle method, it is easily found. I will argue here also very easily found. I'm giving you so many hints already. You're not getting now what? This is EMAT. Come on, the area ratio has a connection with the length ratio. The two-dimensional ratio area has a connection with the one-dimensional ratio.
Yeah, no, I know the one-dimensional one. The ratio is 1:2.
Very good, very good, very good.
But I don't know. No, I know that
Who is 1:2? Who is 1:2 right now?
CBD.
So let's use unit lah. Let's use
BD.
unit. So CB is 1. For example, CB is 1 unit, and then
AB is 2.
Right. AB is what is AB 2?
Because it's the 90 degree thing. CB is 2. CB is 1, so AB is 2.
Why are you comparing CB with AB? Yeah, I don't get that. Why are you comparing CB with AB? Why?
C, like B for boy.
Yeah. Why are you comparing CB with AB? Why are you doing that?
Is this corresponding side?
The triangle is CBD, the small one, and ACD, the big one. Why are you comparing the small one, CBD, with some other triangle?
CBD, ACD. Oh.
What are you talking about?
Then AC.
Very good. Very good.
That's my bad.
Yes,
I read it. I read it as ACB, like this top triangle here.
Right. Okay. No. Yeah. You're not respecting the triangle. No, really. You're behaving like an amateur. You're not. Yeah. You're not. Right.
Okay.
Your triangle method should be tip-top shape. Tip-top shape. Just because of this. Now there's some hint here lah. So I'll give you another hint. You think about it. When triangle CAD or the angle CAD is 30 degrees, you learn from AMAT the ratio of the length are something. You learn from AMAT, that one.
The ratio of the length are
like if there's this triangle 90 degree and 30 degree, the length ratio is, it's something and something and something. No idea what I'm talking about?
No, sorry.
Oh dear. I'm drawing another triangle. If this is 30 degree, according to AMAT trigonometry, this is 2, this is 1, this is √3. If this doesn't ring any bell, really?
Wait, hold on, the Jamboard is acting now.
It is.
Sorry,
like sine 30, like sine 30 is 1/2 lah, page 11.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sine 30 is 1/2, right? So no surprises that this is 1 and this is 2, not a surprise.
Yeah.
What I'm trying to say is that's one of our options. If you can show, so we don't know this is 90 degree, then we don't know, we cannot say that. So, but if you can show that this is 1 to 2, if we can, then we successfully prove that this is 30. Or this is 1 and this is 3, or this is 3 and 2. Either one, if we have, we show that this is 30. I think that's the key here, together with the similarity. I think lah.
Okay.
Understand? You give it a thought for now. Aditya.
So
you give it a thought, Michael. Now, Aditya, you're not making any progress, right?
Yeah.
First of all, I think you wrote it wrongly. I think. Oh, no. You did wrong. You write it correctly. No, you did write it correctly. Right? You did. Sorry. Yeah, secondly, I don't know what you're doing. I really don't know what are you doing? I don't get what you're doing. Yeah, I don't get what you're doing at all. For example, how did you get the behind guy to be a square? Because they are not the same one. How did you get that?
Oh my Lord. Oh God.
All right. No, you're not gonna erase anything. All right. So
okay.
Lastly, because we are working in time, you know the formula method, right? They did teach you the formula for the quadratic.
Like the quadratic formula.
Yeah. Right. Could you please write it down for me if you know that, if you know the formula? All right, you can write it down. No, any problems so far?
Yeah, come
on. What's the problem?
This one.
You mean the show thingy? You cannot show, you mean? All right. Show will require you to have a triangle. I think your triangle seems okay. The 90 and 90 minus theta and the theta. I like the triangle. So are you saying that you don't get it? You get the 22, right? You get the 22 lah.
Yeah.
You didn't get the 10 and 22, I guess, right?
Yeah.
So the perimeter P of the pentagon, right? Okay. So the perimeter is Tx plus WV, okay, plus UV plus TU. Why are you not plusing WX? Sorry, I don't get that part. Why don't you plus WX? I think you missed something there.
Yeah, I think I missed that.
So try to fix that first. Now, Aditya, the formula, doesn't it look suspiciously similar to the solutions?
Oh my God.
And you didn't realize that? I think that's key lah. I think that's key. Right? So do something lah. Do something. I think this is the better way. I think your method is correct, but it's more difficult lah. And you didn't do it correctly also. So let's abandon that for now. So please try that. Okay.
All right.
Michael, are you seeing anything so far?
Sorry, no.
Yeah, I mean, this is the most difficult triangle they can give you in EMAT, stack triangle. So master this lah. Now see how I handle it, okay? I'll treat this as your amateur, right? Because you did approach triangle very amateuristic. You do. Right, so I'm just drawing it side by side to make my life easier. Right, this is A, C, D, and then this is B, C, D. Now, this is 2 to 1 in terms of length, right? Okay, so now I want to get CD over AD based on our discussion just now, because if this is 30 degree question mark, then this will be 1 to 2, correct?
Are you?
I want CD over AD, correct?
Wait, slow down. The thing just switched. Like you erased the thing and then you drew a lot, and then for some reason it did not show it to me until literally just now.
Jamboard my Jamboard sucks today. I'm so sorry. Right? Okay. So again, I want CD over AD just because I think it will be 1 to 2. I just think that way, right?
Okay, because sine inverse half is 30.
Correct. So I'm trying to aim for that, but now I have to use the similarity law, right? Now I have to, right? So because I'm just using one triangle, is CD over AD. I'm not going to be able to use the ratio, correct? Cannot, right?
Yeah.
So now I'm going to use the other triangle. So CD over AD, the other triangle will be what?
CD over AD, the other triangle will
Be equals to, for example,
CD over, wait, no, not CD.
This correspondingly.
BD over CD.
Right, BD over CD. At least I agree with you. Now, before I continue, let me just check whether there's something else going on here. No. Oh, this is an oh my goodness. Wait, I forget that this is a circle. This, no, it doesn't matter. No, it doesn't matter. Yeah, I don't think. No.
I think it only matters in part 3 or C.
Yeah. Because I want to avoid BD, right? I don't want BD at all. Let me think for a while. I want the CD, and I want the CD. Yeah, I cannot do anything. So I'm going to change that. Let's see whether this is better. AC. So if I choose AC, then I don't CD, CB. Yeah, no, it's not happening. It's not happening. I have to think about it for a while. This is EMAT, right? Sorry, Michael. This is EMAT, not AMAT, right?
Yeah.
So I'll think about it for a while. Please do other things first.
Okay.
Right. Noah, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay, wonderful. So that was the mistake. Aditya, okay?
Yeah, I guess, yeah.
Right. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, okay, good. Diameter, of course. Oh, now we can do something. No, this is A method. So we don't do that. Yeah, I got the answer. Mike. So when you're ready. Aditya, are you okay?
Yep.
Move up, please, so I can see your next question.
Oh, my bad.
Move up a bit more. Oh, you're at,
more?
of course you have B and A, right? So you're trying to get C, is it?
Yeah, in the process.
Right. Okay, understood. So, Noah, any problems so far?
No.
All right, then I'll just assign you to the breakout room in case you have a question at the last minute, because I need to explain quite a lot for Michael.
All right.
In case, yeah. Right. So there'll be kakak, right? Okay, please do join. Okay, so Michael, we don't have much time. Do you want me to explain?
Sure.
Right. I'm not sure. I think there's an easier way. So I haven't figured out the easier way. So I'll just use the more complicated way. I haven't figured out the easier way. Now, besides realizing this, I also make use of this and that for now. Michael, you okay? This is 1 unit and this is 3 units in terms of area.
What? Do you draw something new?
Yeah. So let me test one more time. Did you see any Jamboard drawing and anything? Is the Jamboard acting now? Yeah. So this circle has a 1 unit and 3 unit in.
Yeah.
So in terms of area, this small triangle is 1 unit and this slightly bigger triangle is 3 units. Does that make some sense?
Yeah,
right.
It does.
Okay. Right. So then I was figuring whether this have some use, but from the area, I can figure out the length ratio also. The length ratio like that, definitely also 1 to 3. Why? Because this triangle and that triangle has the same height. This is the height, correct? So the base will be 1 and 3 lah, if that makes sense. Also lah.
What? That's the height? CB
because
is the height?
CBD, small triangle, I can consider this the height. I can. Right?
Yeah.
The ABC, small, slightly bigger triangle, I also can consider this the height. That means this is the base and the base. My point is they have the same height. They have one side to be the same. Because their one side is the same, let's call that height, that means my base is also definitely 1 to 3 because my area is 1 to 3. Definitely. That makes sense or not?
Yeah, okay.
Right. So I'm now going to use the length 1 to 3 here. I'm going to use it. Now back to our 2:1, the similarity. So I'm aiming for CD over AD. I'm still trying for that. This is still equal to BD over CD, correct? Still, which should be equal to half, correct?
Yeah.
How very convenient that this is AD, and this is B, sorry, correct, right? Yeah. This is AD and this is BD. I think very convenient.
CD over AD equals to BD. CD equals the, also equal to half though.
Correct. So this and ratio this, they all must go to half, right? Because according to the similarity, okay. So then CD over AD, correct, right? And then BD over CD, yeah, correct. So again, very conveniently, this AD and BD is here, lah. So I can make use of my new ratio thing, lah.
Okay.
Right. So what do I do? So this will become 1 unit, and this will become 4 unit lah. Correct. Because AD 4 unit, BD 1 unit. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Right. Okay. So 4 unit, 1 unit must be half, but this is only CD and CD, they are the same. So the only possibility is this is going to be 2 unit and this is going to be 2 unit. That's the only possibility. Why? 2 over 4 equals to 1 over 2 equals to half lah, right? That's the only possibility.
Okay.
So I now know that CD is 2 unit. I now know that, right? 2 unit. Well, voila, CD over this is half, right? So 30 degree long. Oh, I'm so sorry. I did a mistake. I'm so sorry. My presentation. I'm so sorry. I did a mistake. I'm so sorry. I should have written it this way. I'm so sorry. Yeah, sorry. I made a mistake just now. Sorry. I should have said BD over CD. I meant this guy over this guy. Sorry. There was a mistake. Sorry. Equals to CD over AD equals to half. Now that's my similarity stuff. I'm so sorry. I made a mistake just now. Right. Then I'm still interested in my BD over CD, correct? CD over, oh, but it ends up being the same. So it's the same thing. Oh my goodness. Right? So it doesn't matter. Wow. So same thing lah. This is BD 1 unit. This is AD 4 unit lah. So same thing. This ends up being 2 unit. 2 unit. Right? Oh, I don't even need that. I can just use this. Oh, wow, I don't even need, I don't even need this, sorry. So when I use the similarity, I end up with CD over AD equals to half. Therefore, oh, wow, that's the easy part. So therefore, angle CAD is equals to 30. So when I apply the similarity, I end up with this immediately, right? So I don't need this complicated one. I'm so sorry, I don't need this. I don't need that. I don't need that. That's why it's worth only one. Yeah, I only need the similarity. If you find it to be very confusing, please look at it, please erase it, please ask questions, please do it by yourself.
This is very confusing.
CD
over AD. Oh, wow.
So I'm using similarity, right? I'm using similarity.
CD is 2 units and AD is 4.
No. I erased that already. Yeah, I erased that already. I don't need it. So I'm just saying BD over CD. Half, correct?
BD over CD. How do I know this half?
Oh, because similarity ratio. Right?
Okay.
BD over CD. Also, CD over AD. Also lah. CD over AD also half.
Okay.
But so happens, even though I'm referring to CD instead of this CD, right? I was referring to this CD here, and I was referring to this AD here. I was doing that, correct? Similarity lah. But very conveniently, the CD also exists here. So just by applying this, I already have my angle though, because I already proved that this is 1 over 2. If that makes sense. So I don't even need this. Sorry, I was confusing everybody. I just have to CD over AD equals to half. Wait, this is also CD what? Dano. If that makes sense. Okay, Aditya, are you stuck with the last question?
Yeah, quite.
Okay. I don't like it that you're stuck. Okay, so in this situation, yeah, I feel that you should have used the previous technique. So
Wait.
correct, because you have the -2 and 3. I feel that that's the opportunity to use the previous technique. Correct.
Oh, that makes so much sense.
Don't have to use the formula. You can use the formula here, but that's just making things complicated. No, you don't have to use no. The formula, the one on top, you want the formula because it is insert. Right? But this bottom one is not it's not insert. I don't want formula. I use your previous technique. So please apply your previous technique, the original one.
All right.
Right, please do that. So Michael, does it make more sense as you do it?
Okay, so what I'm getting from this is from the ratio of the sides.
Yeah.
Right. Let's say BC is corresponding with AC.
Yeah.
So this is 1 unit as a side. This is 2 units as a side.
Yeah. Correct.
BD will correspond with CD. So this is 1 unit as a side.
You cannot write 1 unit. You're misleading yourself. It's one. Let's say it's one section with
ratio.
2 sections. Yeah, 1 R with 2 R because it's not 1 U to. It's a different guy lah. Just say right.
1 R to 2 R and then.
Okay. Then CD to AD.
CD to AB.
CD to AD. CD to AD. AD.
Yeah, AB.
AD.
So it's 1 F is to 2F.
Something like that.
So because this technically counts as the same thing.
Is that CD also? Conveniently we solve our problem.
Yeah, okay. Because this is 1F and this is 2F. So now, okay.
Right. So it's just 1/2 again. Oh, wow. Okay. And that's why splitting the triangle, I think, is very helpful. You're respecting the triangle that way. Make sense?
Yeah.
All right. With that in mind, that is a good question. I hope it strengthens your triangle map, respecting the triangle. I'll see you on Sunday.
All right.
Aditya, that's a mistake. Yeah? That's a mistake. Since I know this is in test, then we shouldn't let it go. Right. So
Baga.
Michael. Right. Aditya, you're making a mistake. You're not very comfortable with your quadratic. That's why. So can you go to Jamboard page 5? We settle this quickly. My Jamboard is acting up. Right. So I agree with this and I agree with that. Can you see my Jamboard page 5, Aditya?
Yeah.
All right. So I agree with this too. I'm not sure where the -6 comes from.
No,
I'm not sure about that.
Shouldn't this be?
Yeah, and then it must be y equals to that. So that's just because that's the correct way of saying it. Y equals to that.
And over here I did x -2 and x +3 instead of.
Oh, it should be plus. I'm so sorry. Oh, you're correct. You're correct. This is wrong. I'm so sorry. I didn't see it. You are correct now. Now you're correct. And yet you're still missing something. You're doing things now correctly and you miss A here. That's the biggest problem I have. But the +2 and -3 definitely correct. So you're not putting A here. I'm not comfortable with that. It should be obvious that there is an A there instead of a 1. Now, why is it obvious?
Because there's an A here.
Yeah. So you should not assume 1. The previous question, they put it very clearly is 1. Here, they put it very clearly it's not 1. Okay, so now what do you do? Now that's a good start. So what do you do? Yeah, very good. Yeah, good. Okay, all right. Then you expand the A. Now you expand back the A. Yeah. Now this makes more sense, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now you can find A lah. So tell me what's A. Right. And then what is B?
B. So B would also wait. B would also be 2.
A. You're comparing -12 with -6a. Totally agree with you. You're comparing A with A, as in ax squared with ax squared, right? No point lah, but that's correct. But you're comparing B with A for the x, really? Really? That's how you compare?
Oh, B is -2.
Yeah, you should say plus B equals to -a. You should write that. Yeah, and then you get -2. Make sense?
Yeah.
Right, now it's correct. Now look at these two methods. They are better for certain things. Please understand it.
All right.
Okay. That in mind, I'll see you on Sunday.
All right then.
All right. Bye.
Bye-bye.